Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your device and software. Make sure your iPhone 14 or 14 Pro is on iOS 16. One or later, this unlocks dynamic island features. Once done, verify Face ID and a passcode are active because system behaviors rely on secure authentication. Now go into Settings to confirm version and security options. If you're not updated, install the iOS update and restart your phone. After the restart, return to Settings and prepare to enable feature-specific controls in the next steps. You'll now configure how Dynamic Island reacts. First, open Settings, then Display and Brightness to set animation and auto-lock preferences that affect responsiveness. Next, go to Notifications and set banner style to persistent for apps you want ongoing controls from. Make sure Show Previews is set to Always or when unlocked. Also check individual app settings and permit background activity for music, timers, and navigation so those activities can surface in Dynamic Island. Once configured, test with a media or timer event to see live. You finish by testing and resolving problems. Launch music, start a timer, and begin turn-by-turn navigation to confirm Dynamic Island displays controls and live activity. Watch for tap and hold responses. If interactions feel laggy or don't appear, restart the iPhone and check Settings General Reset for reset all settings as a non-destructive fix. Make sure you remember Wi-Fi passwords. If the problem persists after a backup, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics, since firmware or hardware issues can
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.